Hey Jeff, can you tell me more about what an insurance company typically does after somebody files a lawsuit?
Sure, that's a discussion I have with my clients in every case where we're unable to get a case settled pre-suit. And what that means is a case typically will come in and we will try to, when the time is right, we'll contact the insurance adjuster and try to negotiate a settlement. If that is unsuccessful, then the next step is to file a lawsuit. But I always want my clients to know what that means. What is that process going to be? Because once you file a lawsuit, an insurance company now has subpoena power and they're going to crawl into every nook and cranny that they can to find out everything that exists about you out there in the world. And what I mean by that is, they will scorch the earth to gather all of your medical records, not only from your accident, but also in the past, and they'll go back as far as they can possibly go to obtain all of your prior medical records and all of your records from the accident. And the types of things that they will do when they get those records, let's say you get in an accident and you have neck pain. Well, the insurance company and their attorney will be looking at all of your records from before the accident to see if you ever complained of a doctor at any time in the past about neck pain. And if you did, they will try to argue that, oh, this accident didn't cause the neck pain. Look, Miss So and so had a problem 5 years ago where she went and complained to a doctor one time about neck pain. So that must be what her neck pain is from. It's not from this accident. So it's very important that you have a lawyer who is experienced in dealing with these kinds of cases, personal injury cases, because this is a very common tactic that's used by insurance companies, and a good lawyer knows how to counter those tactics. They will also sometimes do surveillance on you, meaning that they will hire a private investigator to follow you around and look at the types of things you are doing or not doing. Are you going to Busch Gardens and riding on roller coasters? Did you testify in your deposition that you're no longer able to play tennis? And then they have an investigator follow you and take a video of you actually playing tennis, because now they'll use that to show that you're lying and you're not being truthful. So there are a lot of things that insurance companies will do. They'll also talk to what we call before and after witnesses. If you have somebody who you think is going to support your claim that you are injured and before the accident you were fine, and since the accident you're way worse off, they'll sometimes talk to those people, try to find out whether those people are being truthful. And then the last thing they'll do is they'll comb through your phone records and all your social media accounts. So I always tell clients you have got to be extremely careful about what you post on social media. These days people are on Instagram, Facebook, they want to post everything they're doing. And that can sometimes come back to haunt you, because if you post photos or videos of you doing things on social media, the insurance company and their lawyer is going to try to use that against you and show that your injuries are not as serious as you're claiming. So again, extremely important that you get an experienced trial attorney who knows how to handle insurance companies and has experience in dealing with these kinds of issues.